Spezi, a mix between cola and orange, and Germans absolutely love it. And that is why I am ranking all the German Spezis I could find, blindly. Now my favorite is Paulaner Spezi, and if I fail to recognize it, I'll eat the Carolina Reaper in the next video. Now I've chosen to only go with the 0 variants that I could find, just because I do not plan to look like this. And the ranking is going to be fairly simple. Worst, which means I just like the other ones better, to best. And I'm gonna do that with some colors and some glasses. And what I mean by that is I'll let my brother work while I yeet myself into the pool. Alright, the tasting can begin. And since I really love ice cold drinks, they're all cooled, so it should be a fair comparison. Alright, I'll start by this one right here. This is a dark green and it looks kind of bright. Smells familiar. It doesn't really taste like the more expensive ones either. I think this is one of the cheap ones I chose. Either Gut und Günstig or Freeway. It's not my favorite. I'll just put this here. Let me continue with this. My printer isn't paid enough, so kind of made two that look very identical, so I put a little circle on there. What is that? That is actually a taste I have never had before. For some reason it tastes a little tiny bit. 1%. Like tomato. I don't know why. I mean, tomato is also a fruit. I'll put this one here. I'm not so sure on that one. It's not like it's bad. Next color, this one right here. Maybe I should have chosen transparent glasses.
Maybe that would have been the smart idea.
Let's give it a taste. Also kind of unfamiliar, but it's good. I like this one. Color number purple. Also not that sweet, but it has a lot of carbonation. But I like this one better. So let's put it in between here. Orange is next in a blue glass. I taste carbonation and I taste familiarness. Oh, familiarity. Maybe. This might be Paulaner Spezi. But I'm not putting 100% on there yet, because I do not want to eat the Carolina Reaper. Let's go with the next one. This is also a brighter one. Oh, familiar. Yeah, I like this. But it also tastes like something I tried before. Is that Schwip-Schwap? Am I tasting Schwip? Schwappity Schwip? I like that one a lot, so I'll put this here. Next blue color. After that, we have 2 left. I had this before, but I'm not having this often. Is this Krombacher Spezi? Am I a genius? Or stupid? I need to taste again. I like them both, and now we only have 2 glasses left. Where's that one coming from? Never had that taste before. Maybe I have, but it tastes cheap. It's one of the cheaper ones, for sure. Probably Gut und Günstig. Not bad, but maybe let's taste this one. Oh, that's the tomato-y one.
Maybe I just didn't clean that glass enough.
Maybe like this. The tomato juice one isn't even bad, but what is in there? Alright, last one that is left. Now, if this does not taste like Paulaner Spezi to me, then it has to be this one. Cheers. Now, wait. German video. Prost. I know this taste. I know this tastes very well. Schwip-Schwap. Oh, this is Schwip-Schwap. Yeah, I'm fairly certain this is Schwip-Schwap, and I love it. For some reason, of all of the ones I just tasted now, I like Schwip-Schwap the most. Maybe it's because it's the coldest. But anyways, my bet on which one is Paulaner Spezi. I'm going to have to go with this one right here. Please be correct. By the way, this dirty table is not a result of laziness. It is a smart business decision, in the hopes that one of you might just comment down below that, "Oh, Strudeled, your table is very dirty. Please clean it up." And one comment simply catapult my video on the For You page. Very smart, isn't it? Let's start by this one, which kind of tastes tomato-y. It has to be something I have not tasted yet. Why does it taste like tomato? I don't know. But Sinalco goes right here. Now the next one. I knew it. It is Gut und Günstig. It is I Am Special. Yes, very special. Purple. Ah, Mezzo Mix goes right here. And the darker blue is Freeway. It is Krombacher Spezi. Okay. This is one I really don't have that often, which means there are 3 left.
I might just be correct with my guess.
Ah, Knabe Mix, Cola Orange. President Knabe will be very, There we go. Wow, yeah, that one was good. Let's see what Spezi is. Oh, yes! I was correct. Schwip, schwap, 0. I actually don't have to eat a Carolina Reaper. Perfect! And so this is my final ranking. If you want me to rank something particular, let me know down in the comments. And Prost! Oh, there's one more thing I need to do. And that's paying my brother for helping me fuel my Spezi addiction with an overpriced protein bar. Alright, as we say in Germany, rammel den Rochen, bis in 2 Wochen.
Yo.